Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start on clean, dry hair so the glue adheres. Remove oils with a light shampoo if needed. Take a pea to nickel-sized dab and warm it between your fingers for easier shaping. Once done, work on small sections, 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide, so you can build defined spikes without flattening nearby hair. Apply from roots to tip, pinching and twisting into points. Make sure to leave gaps between spikes for natural separation. This prevents clumping and speeds drying. You now refine each spike by pinching at the base and pulling upward, twisting slightly as you go to lock the shape. This creates internal tension the glue grips. Once done with the first pass, add thin touch-ups at high-stress areas. Don't glob product. Layering thinly increases strength without stiffness. Make sure to check symmetry with a comb, and if needed, set the style with a hairdryer on low for 5–10 seconds per spike to accelerate curing and improve durability. You finish by lightly sealing each tip with a final skim of product. Too much makes spikes brittle, so less is better. Once done, let the glue fully cure for several minutes before touching. This ensures long-lasting hold. If something goes wrong, rework only the failed spike. Apply a tiny dab, reshape, and set with low heat. This avoids disturbing the rest. For removal, soak in warm water then shampoo gently, repeating if residue remains. Make sure to hydrate hair after heavy styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.